everyone, Callum from My Mortgage Freedom here. Just wanted to give a quick update because I've been fielding a few questions on how to recover from a deferred repayment arrangement, especially if you're anticipating that you're going to be looking at another transaction in the next few months. So the first thing that you need to ensure is that you've caught up on all the repayments you're effectively behind on. So if you've been on a deferred repayment scheme for 3 months, you really need to be catching up on what is owed to the bank, especially if you're going to be going back to that bank or trying to use that property as equity for another purchase. So if you've got multiple loans, you really need to be having a conversation with your broker around which properties you might be using equity out of, or which lenders that you're going to need to be going back to for funding. Because as you can imagine, if you haven't been paying your home loan for a couple of months, and you've not caught up, they're going to be pretty reluctant to lend you some additional money. Another strategy, if you're a business owner too, you'd want to make sure you're implementing is if you've typically got cash transactions in your business, you'd want to be making sure you've got as many of them on the books as possible and running through your business banking accounts, because you're going to have to prove to any lender that your business is back trading well, and that you're capable of supporting another purchase. So a little bit of forward planning now will really ensure that coming up to spring, or if you're looking at refinancing, that you're able to do it without too many issues. If you have any questions about what I've raised here, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to assist.